having multiple income streams so important? What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. Before we begin, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every single week, I'll be posting content related to online business and additional income streams for 9 to 5. My Facebook group, Make Money Doing What You Love, is finally here and I'll be holding exclusive training sessions inside for free. So if you're interested, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section and description box down below. Anyways, let's dive in now. Building multiple income streams for your household nowadays is not an extravagant. It's now a need. The high rate of unemployment and mounting job losses have taught us that nobody's job is safe. Regrettably, for a great number of people, their solitary source of income is from their job or from a single business, which results in a high level of financial risk. So it's critical to consider having at least one extra income stream. There are 4 main reasons why having multiple income streams are so important. Having multiple income streams provide a safety net. Before I start explaining, and probably some of you here might get bored and stop watching this video, I want to show you a real life message that I've just received 2 days ago from the very best manager of a company. He's absolutely good in customer service and he is just great. So I was mind blown when I received this message from him. It is written in Chinese, so I'm going to translate it for you. It says like this: Morning, I'm Chris. I'm no longer working in the XYZ company because I recently got sacked. This is my number. I hope that we can keep in touch. I'll let you know once I've gotten a new job. Thanks for all your support all this while, and I hope that I can serve you and Dr. Chan in the new working environment. God bless you. So he's a top performer in the company. I was never ever expecting him to be sacked. I was literally rubbing my eyes because I thought I read it wrongly. Here is another one. I am one of those people who lost their jobs. They are right. One cliff if you only hope for your salary, and if you lose it, how about me or you? This pandemic just proved that job is not enough to earn money. Whatever position or job you have, you are affected by the pandemic. Your life will really collapse if you don't know anything about savings, business, and insurance. I'm a HR specialist. I thought I am safe because the position and salary is okay. But when I am in the pandemic, I feel like I'm lost and I don't know what to do and where to go. This video is not meant to be sad. I just want to show you that things can happen unexpectedly. We never know what's going to occur next in our life. So multiple income streams give you a security net to fall back on when something unexpected like the examples I've shown happen. Especially if you work only in a 9-to-5 job and you are reliant on that salary alone. In the event that you are just dependent on the one source of income, you may soon realize that you either need to find a job really quickly if you are fired, or you may venture into red while attempting to get yourself above water. But if you have multiple streams of income, you can support yourself financially for at least a little while. Putting all your eggs in one basket is never a good thing, and the same thing goes to trusting your 9-to-5 to consistently be accessible to you. Multiple streams of income give you a safety net should you ever wind out without a steady job or income. Second, allows you to take more risk. The common roadblock my followers are having is they find it risky to leave their job because the future is so uncertain. I know a lot of coaches out there encourage people to quit their 9-to-5. I'm personally not a fan of a 9-to-5 job, but I will never encourage people to quit without a backup plan. I've interviewed 53 employees and 99% of them can't quit their job just because they have the commitments. That's why building an additional income stream which acts as a backup plan is so important. People who aren't stressed over cash are more likely to take risks. I left my job 2 weeks after I decided to become a coach without worrying of any potential risk that my coaching business might take some time to generate cash flow. I had the courage to make such instant decision because I was already building my additional income streams. Whatever the case might be, having different surges to pay enables you to go for broke. You are less stressed over taking care of your tabs and obligations, and that enables you to concentrate on carrying on with your life without the limit and exploiting whatever comes your direction. So many people miss out good opportunity in their life because they never dare to take risks. Eventually they tell themselves, I wish I've done that. What's worse than living with regrets? So start building your income streams to decrease your risk and increase the opportunity of life. Third, you earn more than you spend. When you have multiple streams of income, you are investing your energy on building them up, which also means you are more adverse to burning through cash. When you are occupied with business or side hustle, you don't have the opportunity to shop carelessly online or proceed to spend a lot of cash. Rather, your attention is on your income streams, which is your hustle. When I was running my retail shop last time, I was making more than my corporate salary. I actually saved less compared to working as a corporate employee. Means I save more as a corporate employee than a business owner. Why is this the case? If you know my story, you will know that after my retail shop has failed, I went back to a corporate job and I was working on my online business at the same time. So my time was pretty much occupied by my day job back then and my side business. I had to put in so much energy for my corporate job and for my side business every day. I didn't even have time to surf through the web and shop. But when I was working as a business owner, I didn't know the correct business strategy to run a business. So every day I would be waiting for customers to come over to my shop. No customers equals to Korean drama time. I thought printing out banners would help. I thought printing out flyers would help. Having that retail shop back then was my only income stream and I started burning a lot of cash. That said, having multiple income streams implies that you can set aside considerably more cash over the long haul, regardless of whether you don't make much money from it. Lastly, create a more financial security. Having multiple streams of income doesn't only give you a safety net. Likewise, it creates more financial security for you. If your day job pays for your bill, you can then use other income to save, invest, and more. You're able to make decisions that better affect your present and your future. This is exactly what I'm doing now. My online clothing business generates cash flow, and I'm having cash flow from my coaching business. I'll then allocate the additional income generated from these two businesses into mutual funds, stocks, and marketing. Mutual funds and stocks both generate returns and dividends, while marketing brings me more customers, hence generate more sales. So having multiple income streams can provide you with the financial security. Besides, when you put aside your additional income, you can construct a retirement fund and a nest egg in case anything bad should occur. Wouldn't you feel great if you have extra 10 grand in the bank just on the off chance that you need it? I hope you find these tips helpful. Don't forget to check out these two videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching all the way until here. I'll see you in the next video.